Subjective GK. Tokyo Olympic 2020. All you need to know about. Highlight: 32nd Summer Olympic Games. Opening 23rd July 2021. Closing 8 August 2021. Host city Tokyo, Japan. Motto: United by Emotion. Nations: 205 plus EOR team. Olympic 2024 next, Paris, France. Number of athletes 11,090. Number of sports are there in Olympic 33. Opened by Emperor Naruhito. Cauldron Naomi Osaka. Stadium Olympic Stadium. Most Olympic medals by country 2021: 113, 39 gold, 41 silver, 33 bronze. Number of players participating in Olympics 2020 from India: 127, 18 sporting events. Total medals won by India in Olympic 2020: 7, 1 gold, 2 silver, 4 bronze. First gold medalist of Tokyo 2020, Yang Qin, 10-meter air rifle, China. First medalist of Tokyo 2020 from India, Mirabai Chanu, 49 kg weightlifting. Number of maximum gold won by individual in Olympic 2020, Caleb Dressel, 5 gold, swimming USA. Note: the 2020 Games are the fourth Olympic Games to be held in Japan, following the Tokyo 1964 Summer, Sapporo 1972 Winter and Nagano 1998 Winter Games. India in Olympic 2020 Tokyo. Neeraj Chopra, javelin throw, gold. Saiko Mirabai Chanu, weightlifter, 49 kg silver. Ravi Kumar Dahiya, wrestler, 57 kg category silver. PV Sindhu, badminton, bronze. Lovlina Borgohain, boxer, women's wrist welterweight, bronze. Men's hockey, bronze. Bajrang Punia, wrestling, 65 kg weight category, bronze. Top 10 ranking 2020 Summer Olympics medal table. Rank team: gold, silver, bronze total: 1 United States 39, 41, 33, 113. 2 China 38, 32, 18, 88. 3 Japan 27, 14, 17, 58. 4 Great Britain 22, 21, 22, 65. 5 ROC 20, 28, 23, 71. 6 Australia 17, 7, 22, 46. 7 Netherlands 10, 12, 14, 36. 8 France 10, 12, 11, 33. 9 Germany 10, 11, 16, 37. 10 Italy 10, 10, 10, 20, 40. 48 India, 1 gold, 2 silver, 4 bronze, total 7. Totals: 93 teams, 340 gold, 338 silver, 402 bronze, total 1080. Here is a list of world records that have been broken at the Tokyo Olympic Games so far. Women's track cycling team pursuit, Germany, 4 hours 4 minutes 242 second. Men's track cycling team pursuit, Italy, 342.032. Tatzana Schoonmaker, women's 200-meter breaststroke, South Africa, 218.95 meter. Caleb Dressel, men's 100-meter butterfly, USA 49.45 seconds. Men's 4 into 100-meter medley relay, USA 326.78 meter. Alexandra Miroslav, women's speed climbing, Poland 0.12 second. Lasa Talakzadeh, men's weightlifting, Georgia 488 kg. Women's 4 into 100 meter freestyle relay, Australia 329.69. Yulima Rogers, women's triple jump, Venezuela 15.67 meters. Karsten Warholm, men's 400 meter hurdles, Norway 45.94 seconds. Women's team sprint, China 31.804 seconds. Women's 4 into 200 meter freestyle relay, China 7:40.33 minute. Same Xiong, men's 73 kg weightlifting, China. Sydney McLaughlin, women's 400 meter hurdles, USA 51.46 second. Jacob Ingebrigtsen, men's Olympic 1500 meter, Norway 3 minute 28.32 second. Faith Kipyegon, women's 1500 meter, Kenya 3 minute 50.11 second. List of 127 players participating in Olympic 2020 from India. Archery, Torundeep Rai, men's recurve, Atanu Das, men's recurve, Praveen Jadhav, men's recurve, Deepika Kumari, women's recurve. Athletics, Katie Irfan, men's 20 km race walking, Sandeep Kumar, men's 20 km race walking, Rahul Rohilla, men's 20 km race walking, Bhavna Jatt, women's 20 km race walking, Priyanka Goswami, women's 20 km race walking, Abhinav Saval, men's 3000 meter steeplechase, Murali Shankar, men's long jump, MP Jabir, men's 400 meter hurdles, Neeraj Chopra, men's javelin throw, Shivpal Singh, men's javelin throw, Annu Rani, women's javelin throw, Tajinder Singh Toor, men's shot put, Datte Chand, women's 100 meter and 200 meter, Kamalpreet Kaur, women's discus throw, Seema Punia, women's discus throw, 4 into 400 mixed relay, men's 4 into 400 meter relay. Badminton, PV Sindhu, women's singles, B. Sai Pranith, men's singles, Satwik Sairaj, Ranki Reddy and Chirag Shetty, men's double. Boxing, Vikas Krishan, men's 69 kg, Lovelina Borgohain, women's 69 kg, Ashish Kumar, men's 75 kg, Pooja Rani, women's 75 kg, Satish Kumar, men's 91 kg, Mary Kom, women's 51 kg, Amit Pangal, men's 52 kg, Manish Kaushik, men's 63 kg, Simranjit Kaur, women's 60 kg. Fencing, Bhavani Devi became the first Indian fencer to qualify for the Olympics. Golf, Anirban Lahiri, Udayan Mane, Aditi Ashok. Gymnastic, Pranati Nayak is only the second Indian woman gymnast to qualify for the Olympics. Hockey, men's national team, goalkeepers P.R. Srijesh, defenders Harmanpreet Singh, Rupinder Pal Singh, Surinder Kumar, Amit Rohidas, Birendra Lakra. Midfielders Hardik Singh, Manpreet Singh, Vivek Sagar Prasad, Nilakant Sharma, Sumit. Forwards Shamsher Singh, Dilpreet Singh, Gurjant Singh, Lalit Kumar Upadhyay, Mandeep Singh. Women's national team, goalkeepers Shabita, defenders Deep Grace Ekka, Nikki Pradhan, Gurjit Kaur, Udita. Midfielders Nisha, Neha, Sushila Chanu, Pukrambam, Monica, Nanjot Kaur, Salima Tete. Forwards Rani, Navneet Kaur, Lalrin Siami, Bandana Kataria, Sarmila Devi. Judo Shushila Devi Likmabam will be India's only participant in judo at Tokyo 2020. Rowing Arjun Jat, Arvind Singh. Sailing for the first time, India will have more than two sailors at the Olympic, including Netra Kumanan, the first Indian woman sailor. For the first time, India will be competing in more than one sailing event, lesser radial, lesser standard and 49er. Netra Kumanan, lesser radial, Vishnu Saravanan, lesser standard, K.C. Ganapathy and Varun Thakkar, 49er. Shooting India will have its largest shooting contingent with 15 shooters. Anjum Mudgil, 10-meter women's air rifle. Apurvi Chandela, 10-meter women's air rifle. Divyang Singh Panwar, 10-meter men's air rifle. Deepak Kumar, 10-meter men's air rifle. Tejaswini Sawant, 50-meter women's rifle 3 position. Sanjeev Rajput, 50-meter men's rifle 3 position. Aishwarya Pratap Singh Tomar, 50-meter men's rifle 3 position. Manu Bakir, 10-meter women's air pistol. Yashaswini Singh Deswal, 10-meter women's air pistol. Saurabh Chaudhary, 10-meter men's air pistol. Abhishek Verma, 10-meter men's air pistol. Rahi Sarnobat, 25-meter women's pistol. Chinky Jadov, 25-meter women's pistol. Anged Veer Singh Bajwa, men's kit. Mairaj Ahmed Khan, men's kit. Swimming Sajan Prakash, Srihari Nataraj, Mana Patel. Table tennis. 4 Indian table tennis players qualified for the Olympics at the Asian qualifiers in Doha in March, including Sharat Kamal, who will be making his 4th appearance at the Games. Sharat Kamal, Sutirtha Mukherjee, Satyan Ganshekaran, Manika Batra. Sharat Kamal and Manika Batra will also compete together in the mixed doubles after earning their Olympics berth at the Asian qualifiers. Tennis. Sumit Nagal gets last-minute entry in the Tokyo Olympics 2021 after some players withdraw their names. Sania Mirza qualified for Tokyo 2020 via her protected ranking, and she will partner with Ankita Raina in the women's doubles. Sania Mirza and Ankita Raina, women's doubles. Sumit Nagal, men's single. Weightlifting. Mirabai Chanu will be India's only representative in weightlifting at Tokyo 2020. Ranked second in the world, the former world champion is among the favorites for a medal in the women's 49 kg weight division. Wrestling. India is sending 7 wrestlers to Tokyo, with Sonam Malik winning the quota in the 62 kg category. Rio 2016 bronze medalist Sakshi Malik will not be wrestling at the Tokyo Olympics. Shima Bisla, women's freestyle 50 kg. Bines Fogat, women's freestyle 53 kg. Angshu Malik, women's freestyle 57 kg. Sonam Malik, women's freestyle 62 kg. Ravi Kumar Dahiya, men's freestyle 57 kg. Bajrang Punia, men's freestyle 65 kg. Deepak Punia, men's freestyle 86 kg.